Hi everyone and welcome to We Love Art. My name is Denise and today we're gonna recreate the rainy romance, originally created by me. So for this painting we're gonna start with the background first. And the background in this case is the sky. It's the one thing that is furthest away. And the beauty about starting with the background first is that we can slowly warm up our painting muscles. You don't need to switch to a small brush, because with a big brush you can create really thin lines if you want to. So you can keep your big brush for as long as possible, because also this will help creating that impressionistic feel, the big or the medium brush. Another thing what I always do for all my paintings is to paint the top and later the sides and the bottom of my canvas as well. This will make sure that your canvas is nice from every single angle. And that's important because this beautiful painting will go up later on your wall for everyone to admire. So if it's then nice from every single angle, it will make it even more special. The next step are all the buildings that form the beautiful backdrop of this kissing couple. The buildings have a nice variety of various colors and we're all gonna explore them together. So I'm gonna take a medium brush. You can either take medium or big, whatever you feel comfortable with. And I'm gonna take a bit of white and bring that towards the brown, because we have a beige undertone for most of the buildings. And beige is a combination of the white and brown. Now I'm gonna add in already a little bit of yellow, because most of the buildings also have a nice warm reflection of the lights. I'm gonna start here with the building here on the left, and again you can just apply your strokes nice and thick on the canvas, various directions. You come again to this outline, rather go slightly over the outline again, so you feel free and comfortable while painting. So sometimes if you see too much pixelation here, so pixelation is a form of dryness, then what you can do is add a tiny bit of water just to smoothen it up a little bit. Today we create this beautiful romantic couple. We're kissing in the rain. And did you know that kissing is really healthy for you? Kissing can burn up to 26 calories per minute. And they even say that if you kiss often, it may add a few years to your life. One study even claims that if a partner, before leaving to work, kisses their loved ones, it may add 5 years to their lives. And did you also know, in total, we spend about 336 hours kissing in our life. Now, the man is created, now we're gonna move on towards the woman. So for the woman, we're gonna start with her skin color. And even the same color we're gonna add on the hand of the man. And after that, we're gonna add her dress, any dress color you love. You can create your own beautiful woman, anything. Maybe think about a specific encounter. Maybe you were one of those people. Maybe you were kissing in the rain on a romantic afternoon. So think about what you want to be wearing or what you were wearing that day, so we can capture that memory, so for you to forever admire on your wall. Now we're going to create a skin color for both the man and the woman. For the skin color, we take white and a bit of brown, and that's the basis. So we create first the basis of the skin tone. If you want darker, you add more brown. Well done on your beautiful masterpiece, your own version of the rainy romance. I hope this painting deserves a beautiful spot on your wall for everyone to admire. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe below. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you very soon again. Bye!